All right, guys, let's roll into part 2 of this, and we're going to separate this tree out of the rest of this here so that we have two different pieces. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn it line so that I don't have a fill on it and I can actually see where my lines are. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I am going to make sure that all of this is ungrouped, which it is for me. If it's grouped, I really can't manipulate anything, so I want to make sure it's ungrouped. Now I'm just focusing on these two pieces right here. So that's what I'm going to scroll in on. And I am going to grab this outside shape. I'm going to make a duplicate of it. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate. And I'm just going to pull this off to the side so that I can play with it and not mess up my original. What I want to do here is I really want to pull this D itself out of the tree. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into my nodes and I'm very simply going to select these nodes here and I'm going to hit D again on my keyboard and that's going to delete those nodes. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to select all of these nodes and I'm going to hit D to delete. Select these, D to delete, and I'm going to come down here, D to delete, and then I'm going to grab this one right here because this is a rounded font. I'm going to grab this guy right here, my green one, and I'm just going to hit S, and that's going to smooth it out for me. Let's try this again. That's going to smooth out that corner for me so it looks a little more like the actual font does. And I might straighten this guy out a little bit right here. All right, so now I've pulled the D part out. Get that back on the screen. All right, so I'm going to grab this. I'm going to move it up here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this again. I'm going to Control, or if you're on a Mac, Command D. Pull this out here, scroll in on it. And now I want the tree, so I'm going to kind of do the opposite, right? I'm going to take these nodes. I'm going to highlight them, D to delete, D to delete, D to delete. Click on that node, delete it. Click on these nodes, delete, and let's get rid of this one too. There we go. So now I've got the tree. Okay, so now I'm going to take this again and, oops, I'm going to do my select. Take this again. I'm going to take the interior of that D as well, and I'm going to group these back together just for my own sanity. I'm going to move this away. And actually, let me ungroup those. I need this center of the D for this guy. So I'm going to make a copy of that. You can Control C, Control V, or you can Control D to duplicate. And I'm going to go here. I'm just going to group those back together just so I don't lose them. I'm going to go here, settle that where it needs to be so it looks correct. I'm going to highlight those, select them, and group those. Now I can pull this here. And I've got the tree itself separated. All right, that's that step.